welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair tutorial. As you can see, I have crimped my hair. So this is my first try and I wanted to do with you guys. I think I really like it. Don't do it like often, although it's a ceramic plate and all that. It's a lot of heat to the hair, but I really like the volume though. I've only used this when you cannot really wash your hair and your hair is really oily and you just need to go out really looking fresh, so you can have more volume. If you want to know how I got this look, continue watching. I'm going to use this bed head crimper. I will update the link down below in the description. And this is how it looks like, and I love the color combo. Okay, without any further delay, let's go ahead and start the tutorial. So there are 3 settings: low, medium and high, and start with medium for now to see how it does, and then maybe we can increase if we need to. I'm gonna start from the back and then work my way towards the front. So make sure you don't have any knots. The videos that I have seen has always recommended to keep your hair flat than like this to get better result. So I'm gonna keep this as flat as I can and go as close to the scalp as you can, and slowly start pressing this. So I have already applied the hair protectant and everything. And I've also applied hair serum to make sure my hair doesn't look frizzy. And the reason why I'm really trying this is for really volume. Slowly press. Go as close to the scalp as you can. Do you see the volume?
The volume. Oh my god, the volume. Oh my god. The volume. Oh my god.
I'm gonna take this silk serum drops a little bit, and my palm. And I'm gonna rub this. I'm not gonna lie, it does look frizzy.
Saw your picture on my timeline. Text across the skyline.
I'm gonna try maybe a pony. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the side bun. Okay, let's braid our hair and see. Okay guys, that is it for today.